Good morning, welcome back to another vlog. I bet you guys will never guess where I went this morning. Target, yeah. So I thought I brought my memory card, but it was in my computer. I also got my hair done yesterday, so I'm very blonde again. Roots look so much better. But yeah, I went to Target this morning. Oakley's over at my parents' right now, but I'm gonna show you guys what I picked up at Target, because why not? What a cutie, Teds! Okay, so first I went to Starbucks and I got an iced chai latte with sweet cream cold foam and cinnamon on top. It definitely tastes like fall. And then, big grocery order, kind of big. Mainly I got these things for reels, but I got this specifically to make like a peach cobbler. How cute is this? So I picked that up, that was $5. I got these mission tacos or tortillas because I'm gonna do like an egg, avocado, cheese thing that I've been seeing on Reels. Oakley's favorite bars, Sunny Days. These also on Instagram Reels a lot of people use cocoa powder, which is kind of the same thing as cocoa powder. So got that. We have Earth's Best organic breakfast biscuits and blueberry. Oakley likes those. I know this is very unhealthy, but I got mashed potatoes, just like a little pack. Even though we have real potatoes, but that one's just like a simple thing. I got organic veggies and wild rice. This is new from Happy Tot. I love when he tries out these new things because he usually likes them. So got that one, although he didn't like the curry one. So update, did not like the curry. We got organic coconut palm sugar, Reels. Graham crackers, Reels. I got a salad for lunch. I love the Good and Gather Santa Fe style salad, so I got that. Then we have Carrie sugar-free syrup. This is the best syrup ever. Is this leaking? Oh boy. We'll have to check on that one. Also, we have pear, blueberry, avocado, and granola, a little pouch for Oakley. I don't know why they only put that just in one bag. We have my creamer because I ran out, so it was a tough morning. We have blueberries, Oakley's milk, mild cheddar. Okay, so I saw someone on Instagram Reels make homemade Cheez-Its, and literally all they used was this. They cut it into squares, they put it in the oven for like 20 minutes, and then they sprinkled it with salt. So I'm gonna make homemade Cheez-Its because Scott loves them. And then, wow, this is huge. Look at how big this is, Teds. This is as big as you. Wow, I did not think this was this big. That's what she said. This is so big. Oh my God, wow. Okay, so I got old-fashioned oats for Reels. I got peanut butter. I got peaches. This was kind of expensive. I got organic peaches for the cobbler. Bananas. Avocados. This stuff is frozen, so I got pasta shells, Good and Gather. Butternut squash spirals. Morningstar chicken nuggets. And, ooh, this is new from Bertolli. They make like sides, pasta sides. Cheese and spinach ravioli. That sounds good. So I think that's everything that I got. But yeah, now I'm going to put this away and go grab Oakley. It's definitely going to rain. I don't want to show you over there because it's really messy, but it's supposed to rain today. So I will take you guys with me. I asked you guys to ask me some questions on Instagram, so I will answer those, but let me put this away first. All right, I'm going to see if we can do this. We just made Oakley some mac and cheese. This is Mama's drink, okay? Not for baby. We're gonna answer some questions. I haven't even looked at any of them, so I have no idea what you guys asked me, but let's check it out. Oh, the first question I saw is, are you excited? No, honey. We don't do that. Are you excited for Christmas yet? No. Honestly, no, because I didn't want to really be here for Christmas. And now we're getting closer and I'm like, please time, just stop going by so fast. Which fitness program do you follow? I can't remember, but looking to start. So I do Body by Bree. I will link it down below. So a ton of you have reached out to me on Instagram because I have seen such progress doing it. I lost 9 pounds. I lost body fat. I gained muscle mass, and it's all thanks to this program. So she does do customized meal plans for you specifically. I don't really follow that, to be honest, but I do have like macros that I'm supposed to follow. So I'm supposed to have 1,600 calories, higher protein, all that, but daily workouts, Monday through Friday. You can pick whatever days you want. You can choose to do it at the gym. You can choose to do them at home. She has different things, but basically you can do a 2-week free trial. No honey buns. So if you want to try it out first on her app, you can try 2 weeks for free. Oh my God, my battery, not my battery, but my memory is running out. Okay, you're probably not set up in the same spot, but Oakley's eating mac and cheese. So I had to rearrange. So yeah, I will link Body by Bree down below. It is an affiliate link. I honestly haven't really looked into that, but it's an affiliate link. I don't know. I haven't read about it, but I know I have a link. Anyways, moving on. When did you stop taking blood medicine? When did you stop taking medicine for high blood pressure after Oakley was born? I think 2 weeks, 2 or 3 weeks. Since I had the postpartum preeclampsia, I think I had to stay on it for 2 weeks to 3 weeks. Feels like forever ago. Love your vlog so much. Any current stressors in your life right now? I feel like every day is stressful. Like something, it's just like, yeah, Scott and I were always stressed, always. And you know, it's always usually about money, you know? But, yeah, that's all I'm gonna say with that. It's tough. It's tough being a stay-at-home mom and not making really money. I've talked about that before, but it's really hard for me. And oh, why don't you go get a job? Well, because then I'd be paying for daycare. I would just be working to pay for daycare. So yeah, if I could make some side money, then that would be great. Which, I mean, I make money on YouTube, but for me, you know, it's never enough. You hear the rain? We were listening to the thunderstorm the other day, and he actually loved it. There's no thunder though, it's just rain. It's just rain. Just rain. What goals do you hope to have to accomplish 1 year from now? I hope I will not be here. Okay, maybe I should stop doing the negatives. I should just say positive things. I will be somewhere else. Possibly another baby. Having a lot more money than I have now. And being happier. Is that funny? What's your favorite season? I would have said fall, but now it's just stressing me out that the time's going by so fast. So yeah, I do like fall, but I don't like that fall leads into winter. My son is almost 5 months old. When did you start feeling more back to yourself and how? Ooh, that's hard because I don't really remember. I feel like I felt like the postpartum blues anyways. I feel like it only lasted like a short amount of time. I felt back to myself, I want to say, like at 4 months postpartum. Like I felt like I was in a routine. I was working out. I dropped my weight pretty fast and I felt good about having that routine. It was so much easier when he was a newborn and could sleep and I could just work out and like vacuum and he would sleep through it, and now I can't vacuum. I do work out when he sleeps, but he just used to sleep so much more, you know. So yeah, but everyone's different with postpartum, so it might take you longer. Yeah, it might take you longer, but you're never like the same person though. You will never be the same person. Your mind just thinks differently. As soon as you have a baby, you are a different person. I don't care what anyone says. You're not the same person. You don't think the same. You're more stressed out. You have anxiety. You're not the same person. Okay, those are all the questions I'm going to answer right now. I think I'm going to clean up a little bit, and maybe I'll clean the bathroom with you guys. I don't know. I just wanted to vlog today, but I don't really know what to vlog. I usually like to make my reels when it's sunny out, because the lighting is way better and I just like working with natural sunlight, but the sun's not out and I don't know when it's going to be out. It might come out tomorrow, I don't know, or Sunday. But I'm going to make a peach cobbler myself now beforehand so I can like practice. You want to snuggle, mama? Come on. This is the best. Say, it's almost my nap time. You trying to climb on, mama? You gonna wave? That's sweet. That's sweet of you. Where's your nose? Good. Where's your head? Your head? Where's your head? Where's your head? Good. Where's your ears? Yeah. Where's your tummy? Yeah. Where's your hands? Yeah. Where's your toes? Where's your toes? Yeah. Where's your legs? Your legs? Well, yeah, they're here. They're here. Good job. You're so sweet. This is the tricky one. Where's your eyes? Where's your eyes? Nope, those are your ears. Where's your eyes? Your eyes! Yes! Good job. Something smells on you. Ew, we need to wash your hands. They smell like cheese. Like maybe mac and cheese. I love when he's like this sleepy because I know he's gonna go down very easily for me. Watch me say that. I can't smell your hands any longer. I really can't. Why do they smell like that? They smell like McDonald's. Ew. Good morning. So I am going back to the dermatologist today because the mole under my eye is still there. And then the one on my neck is still there and it has like kind of maybe a scar around it. So I'm gonna see what we can do about that. And then I might see an opinion if to get like other ones removed. I just don't want to be scarred. But if they do heal properly, like that would be amazing. But I'm going back to my dermatologist. She's literally the best. I'm actually bringing her and the team like a big bag of makeup and skincare because she's just really nice. I'm like, I need to do something for you because she like takes care of anything that I need, and I'm not sure if it would cost money like other places, but I remember I went to an old dermatologist and I had a mole that I just didn't like, and they were like, oh, it doesn't look cancerous, so we can't remove it for free. Well, this one will be like, what do you need removed? What do you not like? I'll get rid of it. So she's literally the best. So I'm going there. My parents are watching Oakley. Does anyone else like just feel like more worried with their parents watching their children? Because I don't know if it's like a generation thing, but like I survived, right? I'm alive and well, but it's been some time and I just feel like so much has changed and I get nervous. I don't know. It's just like, you know, he can't eat a little cherry tomato, right? You know, he can't eat that. And you know, I don't know. I could go on and on, but I feel like there's so many more like rules now and more precautions, and I just get very worried. Anyways, so I'm going to my appointment and then I'm gonna rush home safely and put Oakley to bed, but I just wanted to update you guys because I think I'm gonna try and get this video up today. And yeah, I also got my nails done and I got like a pink chrome. I didn't really love like the nude, what is it? The Hailey Bieber nails. Just like a nude, like the shiny nails. I personally don't like that because I just feel like it looks like seashell old lady. But I like the pink, like I like a color with it. And maybe it's cute on other people, but I don't think it would look good on me. Anyways, I think I would get sick of it. And who knows, I might get sick of this as well. But that is my update. Nails done, hair done, and now to just get a couple of moles removed. I'm gonna just see her honest opinions on everything. Like, I just don't want my face butchered, but I definitely, like, I have a moley face. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the rest are freckles. 9. I've got a big one on my forehead, but the big one on my forehead's flat, so I'm not gonna get that one removed. Anyways, off to the dermatologist. I'll let you know how it goes. So I am back now and I had to cancel my appointment. I got there and she was running behind, so I canceled it. and postponed it to next week because I just couldn't have, like, Oakley's nap time's always between 11:30 and 12. And if you have a little one, you know how important, like, nap schedules can be. So my appointment wasn't going to start until, like, 12:30. And I was like, because I wasn't going to get home until, like, 1:30. And I just knew that would ruin the whole day. So postponed. So unfortunately, it is what it is. But next week it is. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm, like, not in a great mood right now, to be honest. I feel like in the beginning of this vlog I was so much happier, and now it's just, like, slowly, I think just today it's just not going my way. And I'm having some car issues, and it's just stressful. It's stressful when you're a stay-at-home mom and you have car issues, so you, like, literally can't really drive your car anywhere until it's fixed. But literally everything nowadays is so expensive that I'm stressed. I'm stressed out. But I'm gonna end my vlog here. I don't even know what I vlogged, to be honest, but I need to get something up for you guys, so I hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna go in and I kind of want to make, oh my god, I didn't even tell you guys that I made the peach crisp, and it's on my Instagram stories, like the Instagram reel. It's on my Instagram reel, not stories, but I made peach crisp. It was delicious, and I've been making apple crisp lately, and it is so good. So message me if you want to know, like, the recipe, but it is literally delicious. So I've been eating apple crisp and vanilla bean ice cream a lot, and I'm somehow still losing weight. Must be the stress. I don't know. I also have to work out. But, oh my god, so good. So I didn't end up showing you guys that I made it, but yes, 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 yes. So yummy. Okay, I'm gonna go. I'm watching The Owlet, and Oakley's in a deep sleep, so we love that. I'm gonna go. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.